Most people believe rich people are rich because they were lucky, or born into the right family, or went to the best schools. But science tells a very different story. Rich people don't just earn more money, they think differently, and that thinking actually changes how their brain works. This is not motivation, this is neuroscience. Scientists studied thousands of people and scanned their brains. What they discovered was powerful. When someone starts thinking long-term instead of chasing quick rewards, the brain begins to change. The areas responsible for self-control, planning, and smart decision-making become stronger. And that shift slowly pushes a person towards success and wealth. Let me explain this with a simple experiment. In the 1970s, psychologist Walter Mischel ran a study with children. Each child was placed alone in a room. In front of them was one candy. They were told, if you wait 15 minutes without eating it, you'll get 2 candies. Some children ate it immediately. Some tried to wait but failed. Only about 30% managed to wait patiently. Now, here's the shocking part. These children were tracked for decades. When they grew up, their lives looked very different. The children who couldn't wait had more debt, more health problems, and lower incomes. The children who waited earned more money, had better careers, and more stable relationships. When scientists scanned their brains as adults, the difference was still there. The patient group had a much stronger self-control center in their brain. This proved something important. Long-term thinking rewires the brain. Now think about money decisions in daily life. Poor thinking sounds like this. I need money fast, so I take loans. I choose comfort today. Rich thinking sounds different. I can wait. I'll learn a skill. I'll sacrifice now for freedom later. That difference may sound small, but over years, it completely changes outcomes. One successful entrepreneur explained it this way: I don't decide based on today. I decide based on who I want to be 20 or 30 years from now. That mindset changes everything. Another study tested rich and struggling people in identical rooms filled with hidden money opportunities, freelance ads, learning resources, business ideas. Over 70% of wealthy participants noticed at least 2 opportunities. Less than 20% of struggling participants did. Brain scans showed why. Rich people's brains are trained to detect opportunities. Struggling brains are stuck in survival mode. Here's a truth most people miss. Most millionaires don't start with multiple income streams. They build one stable income first, one skill, one income, then the next. Not chaos, not shortcuts, just focus and patience. Another powerful habit stood out in research. Over 90% of wealthy people spend at least 30 minutes every day learning something useful. Not entertainment, not scrolling, but skills that improve income or decision-making. Learning that leads to action. And finally, the biggest difference of all, when asked why they struggle financially, many people blame the economy, the government, their family, or bad luck. Wealthy people answered differently. I took responsibility. I didn't quit. I owned my decisions. Brain scans confirm this too. Blame activates fear centers in the brain. Responsibility activates the decision-making center. So how do you rewire your brain? Just for habits. Think long-term before big decisions. Build one predictable income first. Learn something useful every day. Take full responsibility for your financial life. Do this consistently, and your brain will change. And when your brain changes, your money follows. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.